Hi beauties, today I have the new Picante palette from Karity. I hope that's how you say it. So this is what the inside looks like. So I've been seeing a lot of bomb looks with this palette. I love the color scheme, it's right up my alley. So I feel like doing something pretty matte today, so that's what I'm gonna do. There's so many really good transition shades and just like crease blending shades in this palette. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna start out with Pimento, which is right here. Alright, so that blended really well. I use a Sigma E40 brush for that step. Next, I'm going to use Harvest, which is this color right here. This color also blends so well. I love it. So the next shade I'm going to go in with is called Flamenco, which is this shade right here. I'm using a Sigma E25 blending brush for this shade, so a little bit smaller to get it more concentrated. Then I'm going to go back with the E40 brush and just blend this all together. Next, I'm going to use this brown shade down here called Bittersweet, and I'm going to add this right over the last shade. So I just took some concealer and I'm just going to start creating like a cut crease, like a half cut crease. Alright, so I'm going to take Delia, which is this shade right here. Next, I'm going to take Ish, which is right here. I'm not really sure if I'm saying that right, but it looks like Ish. And then I'm going to add some of Spicy. I'm just dusting off some fallout, and then I'm going to work on my lower lash line. I'm going to use 3 colors for the lower lash line using my 3 favorite lower lash line brushes. I'm going to start with the Sigma E25 brush, and I'm going to go in with Harvest, which was the orangey shade. I have this right here. Next I'm going to use Spicy. And then the last shade I'm going to use is Bittersweet. So I think these eyeshadows blended really nice. Next I'm going to take a black eyeliner. This is Pat McGrath eyeliner, and I'm going to just line my lash line. Then I'm going to take some more Bittersweet, and I'm just going to drag it right on the black. So now I'm going to use some black eyeliner with the Sigma E05 brush. This is MAC's black track liner. This eye right here is so watery, like I'm gonna leave it alone for now and I'm gonna focus on this eye. I'm gonna use Lily lashes in the style Miami So Extra. I'm gonna use this velour lash glue. I'm gonna just pop these on. So I'm definitely loving this lash. This might be my new favorite Lily lash because it's pretty nice. Like, I'm gonna take some more of Delia and I'm gonna apply that right in the center here. I'm gonna add a little bit of bobby to it, actually, a little. Tears and lash glue definitely do not mix, like. So for blush, I'm gonna use the Karity Blush Balm in Coral, and I'm gonna take the shade Gorgeous, and just lightly tap that on my cheek. And then for highlight, I'm going to take Artist Couture's Honey Drip and pop that on. So I'm lining my lips with MAC Chestnut Lip Liner. And this is one of the Karity Lip Locks. I will have the shade below because it came off here, so I need to figure out what shade it is. Whoa. Let me just take my hair out. I am trying out this unit, you guys, which I am absolutely loving, you guys. Like, I'm really feeling this hair. So this is the entire look. I'm really feeling this whole vibe, like really matte. I feel like I never do a matte lip. I never do a matte in a corner, so it's just different for me. So, you know.